Hi there, it's Bonnie, and today I want to introduce you to the direct method of mosaic making and show you how you can make a project similar to this using unglazed porcelain as your material. Unglazed porcelains are the perfect choice to mimic the look of traditional mosaics while giving a contemporary flair. The direct method very simply means what you see is what you get. You apply your tessera, your tiles, right side up with an appropriate adhesive. In this video, our project is for interior display only. If you are new to mosaics, I recommend you select a pattern or design that is relatively simple. You're not making the Mona Lisa right out of the gate. If you are uncomfortable making your own original design, you can find lots of public domain patterns in stained glass books, and there are many online resources. My first book has several templates that you are welcome to use. If making a pattern from a photograph or some other inspired image, I trace the primary lines, enough information to guide me, and I scale it to size on a photocopier. It is important that you properly prepare your substrate. I am scoring my MDF with a box cutter to give it some tooth, and then I'm giving it a quick coat of white PVA glue mixed with water. This will help fill the pores of the MDF, and once dry, creates a mechanical bond with the new glue that I'll use to adhere my tiles. You can prepare the board before or after tracing your pattern. Now about these beautiful tiles. The Cinca collection of unglazed porcelains have a natural look and earthy feel. There are a few other brands on the market, but I especially like these because there are no beveled edges, they are perfectly flat, and a convenient size. Each tile is 1 inch by 1 inch and 1/8 inch thick. When you purchase the tiles, they come sheeted on brown paper. This helps prevent breakage during shipping. The paper is easily soaked off with a little warm water and a drop of soap. Wait 10 minutes and they come right off. Cinca tiles are a high-density clay body, meaning they are very durable, yet they are easy to cut with inexpensive tile nippers. The material is very versatile. Each tile is the same color inside and out, a full-body clay, and they have a beautiful matte finish. Although this tool is designed for glass, it does a mighty fine job of nipping these tiles. I recommend you cut a pool of materials to pull from. Mosaic making becomes a bit like a jigsaw puzzle. You just start picking up the right piece. Every now and again you will need to fine nip. You will work much faster if you have a pool of materials. For this project, we are using Weldbond, a white PVA glue especially well suited for this job because it has a thick body. Depending on the size of your tile, you may choose to spread some on the board or use a paintbrush to put a little on the back of each tile, or maybe using a tweezer and dipping into the glue works best for you. You want to use enough glue that the tile can be fully seated, with a little coming up the sides, and you want a little space in between each tile so the grout can go in. If you wish to remove a tile that you glued down already and the glue is dry, take a paintbrush and a little water. Dab a little water around the tile, wait 2 or 3 minutes, and then pry it up with a flathead screwdriver. Wear safety glasses. Waiting a couple of minutes gives the glue a chance to reconstitute. Once you're finished making your mosaic, you need to let the glue dry at least overnight, preferably about 12 hours. Cinca Unglazed Porcelain, a beautiful option for your next mosaic project. please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, life's a mosaic. You pick the pieces.